11. Most impressive and efficient machines. You've got to see. Imagine stepping into a world where the machines around you are not just tools, but marvels of modern engineering. Giant, powerful, and incredibly efficient. From monumental cranes that sketch the skyline to sophisticated agricultural devices that transform the way we farm, each machine we're about to explore represents the peak of technological advancement in its field. Athena 850. The Athena 850 is the Swiss Army knife of the construction site, renowned for its adaptability and precision. This scissor lift isn't just any lifting platform, it's an engineered blend of mobility and versatility designed to navigate rough terrain with ease. Equipped with a robust four-wheel drive system and a compact body, the Athena 850 can access tight spaces where traditional scissor lifts could never venture. This machine stands out for its unique ability to level itself on uneven surfaces, up to a 20-degree gradient, making it indispensable on challenging construction sites. Operators can adjust the platform height and maintain stability, a crucial factor when working at heights. Big Slabs Queens. In the realm of stone and marble craftsmanship, the Big Slabs Queens reigns supreme. This machine is designed for handling and cutting large slabs of marble and granite with astonishing precision. The Big Slabs Queens features a powerful diamond blade that slices through the hardest stones without a hitch, creating smooth, clean cuts that are essential for high-quality finishes in luxury installations. What makes this machine particularly impressive is its automation capabilities. With advanced programming features, operators can set the dimensions and specifications for each cut, allowing the machine to operate with minimal supervision. This not only speeds up the production process, but also reduces material waste, ensuring that each slab is utilized to its maximum potential. Barrel Mover 5000. The Barrel Mover 5000 transforms road safety operations by making the process of moving large traffic barrels quick and effortless. This machine is attached to the front of a service vehicle and operated remotely, allowing workers to rearrange traffic patterns without ever leaving the safety of their vehicle. This not only speeds up the process but significantly reduces the risk of accidents associated with working close to active traffic lanes. Its design incorporates a claw-like mechanism that grips barrels firmly, lifting them slightly off the ground and relocating them with precision. Deutz 12K. The Deutz 12K represents the pinnacle of high-performance agricultural tractors. Powered by a robust 12,000 cc engine, this tractor delivers unmatched power and reliability in the fields. It's not just about raw strength. The Deutz 12K is also designed for optimal fuel efficiency, which is critical in reducing operating costs and environmental impact. This machine is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including GPS-guided steering, which helps in maintaining precise rows in the field, thereby maximizing crop yields and reducing wastage. The Deutz 12K's sophisticated monitoring systems alert operators to maintenance needs and performance metrics, ensuring that the tractor operates at peak efficiency at all times. Casselli hose reel irrigation in large agricultural settings can be a formidable challenge, but the Casselli hose reel makes it a breeze. This advanced hose reel system is designed to manage miles of irrigation hoses efficiently, automating the deployment and retrieval process with remarkable precision. The Casselli hose reel ensures uniform water distribution, critical for consistent crop growth and resource conservation. Beyond just water distribution, the Casselli hose reel's robust design allows it to withstand the harsh conditions often found in outdoor agricultural environments. Masten Brook Manufacturing. Masten Brook Manufacturing is renowned for its exceptional engineering in trenching and excavation equipment. Their machines are tailored to tackle a variety of soil types and environmental conditions, providing precise and efficient trenching for utilities and drainage systems. Each model is a testament to Masten Brook's commitment to quality, featuring durable designs that withstand the rigors of heavy-duty excavation, while maintaining high productivity levels. The advanced control systems in Masten Brook's trenchers allow for precise operation, minimizing the disruption to surrounding landscapes, a crucial feature in urban and environmentally sensitive areas. StemMark 4K. In the forestry sector, marking trees for logging or conservation purposes can be a daunting task. The StemMark 4K revolutionizes this process with its high-tech approach to marking. This machine uses laser technology to tag trees accurately and consistently, providing a method that is significantly faster and more reliable than traditional hand marking techniques. The StemMark 4K is not only about speed, it also offers customizable marking options, allowing operators to input specific codes or symbols as needed for different projects. This adaptability makes it an invaluable tool in managing large forest areas, whether for sustainable logging operations or in conducting environmental impact assessments. Huskvarna Master 4000D. The Huskvarna Master 4000D is a powerhouse in the world of concrete and masonry cutting. Known for its robust construction and exceptional power, this cutting machine can handle everything from highways to intricate tile work. Its diamond blades cut through the hardest materials with ease, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. This focus on comfort, coupled with the machine's efficiency, makes it a favorite among construction professionals. Whether it's shaping large concrete slabs or detailed masonry for artistic installations, the Huskvarna Master 4000D stands out as a leader in its class. Cone cranes. When it comes to lifting and handling heavy loads in industrial environments, cone cranes offer some of the most sophisticated and robust solutions in the market. These cranes are designed to operate in a variety of settings, from shipyards to warehouses, enhancing workflow efficiency and safety. Cone cranes are known for their reliability and ease of use, with advanced features that allow for precise control and maneuverability of heavy materials. The real strength of cone cranes lies in their adaptability. They can be customized with different attachments and features depending on the specific needs of the operation. Tubeline Bale Wrapper 6500. The Tubeline Bale Wrapper 6500 revolutionizes hay baling by providing a fast and efficient way to wrap bales, preserving the quality of silage. This machine is pivotal for farmers looking to optimize their hay production, as proper bale wrapping is critical for preventing spoilage and maintaining nutritional content. The 6500 model stands out with its innovative features that automate much of the process, reducing labor costs and increasing throughput. With its user-friendly interface and robust construction, the Tubeline Bale Wrapper 6500 ensures that each bale is wrapped precisely and consistently, providing an airtight seal that is crucial for fermentation. Tunnel Fire Truck. At the forefront of emergency response innovation is the tunnel fire truck, a highly specialized vehicle designed to tackle fires in challenging tunnel environments. This machine is equipped with advanced fire suppression systems, including high-pressure hoses and nozzles capable of piercing through dense smoke and heat. The tunnel fire truck's design prioritizes maneuverability and durability, allowing it to navigate narrow spaces and withstand extreme conditions during critical rescue operations. This fire truck is not just a vehicle, but a mobile command center, equipped with the latest in thermal imaging and air monitoring technology to help firefighters make informed decisions in the heat of the moment. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.